Hello everyone watching TNWS channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can fix incoming calls not showing on display problem or any problem you are facing regarding incoming calls in Realme 8s or 8s 5G. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for my latest videos. So to fix incoming calls not showing on display problem in Realme 8s or 8s 5G, simply first of all just go to settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.